Welcome everyone to Old Man Wisdom. Today we're looking at MT4 indicators. 3 things to let you know. Firstly, keep watching this video so that you know what the indicator is about and how to install it. Secondly, it's a free download. You can go to my website and the link is in the description. Thirdly, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you can get alerted when new videos are released. So let's get into it. So today we're testing this Hotkeys Timeframe version 1. All credit goes to the developer of this indicator. It's not mine, but of course it's a free download for you to enjoy if you would like it. So we're highlighting this Hotkeys Timeframe version 1. What it apparently does is it gives you a list of 1 to 9 on your keyboard, and depending on what number you press will change the time frame of the chart. Let's see if it works. So firstly, how do we get this indicator onto or into our MT4 platform? Well, you go to File, you go to Open Data folder, MQL4, double click that folder, and you literally copy and paste it into the indicators folder here. Very simple. If it doesn't appear on your navigator list, you just simply right click and click refresh and it should appear. If it doesn't, then close down your MT4 platform, reopen it, and it should be there. Now to put it on your screen, all you need to do is to click and drag with your left button on your mouse. And here you see Custom Indicator Hotkeys Timeframes version 1. You do have to tick the Allow DLL Imports. It's quite important or else this indicator doesn't seem to work. So do that. Here on the About screen, you see that it's numbers 1 to 9. 9 will give you the monthly view, 8 will give you the weekly view, 7 the daily, 6 the 4 hourly, 5 the hourly, 4 30 minutes, 3 15 minutes, 2 will be the 5 minute, and 1 will give you the 1 minute screen on your candles. Now, when you click OK, there'll be nothing particularly showing that the indicator has installed. So let me OK it now. And nothing really changes on the screen. You'll notice now that if I click or if I press number 1 on my keyboard, it will go to the 1 minute chart. If I press number 2 on my keyboard, 5 minutes. Number 3 will be the 15 minutes. Number 4 will be the 30 minutes. 5 is the 1 hour. 6 is the 4 hour. 7 is the daily chart. 8 is the weekly, and 9 is the monthly. So go back to the 1 hour chart, and like I say, there's nothing really to show that this indicator is installed. If you right click and go to the indicators list, you'll see that it is installed, but there's nothing particularly visible to highlight the fact that you have any indicators installed at all. But of course it is there. And it works really, really well. There's no lag, and it seems really nice to have this shortcut keys for the different time scales if you would like it. If we just very, very quickly add, let's say, a moving average, how does that respond? Very nicely. Doesn't seem to cause any lag whatsoever on the screen, on the charts. So yes, really nice little indicator. So would this indicator for your MT4 platform be useful to you? What would I give this indicator? Well, I wouldn't give it 10 out of 10 because it would be nice to have a little indication that it is installed on this chart. But for speed of use and ease of use, overall I would give it a 9 out of 10. It just loses that 1 mark because there's no indication. It would just be nice to have a little visual thing up here, maybe in the corner, to say that you've got the indicator installed. But overall, I think it's a really super little indicator for you to use. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. The link is in the description below for you to download. And so until the next time, take care, and I'll speak to you very soon.